This came in the mail today. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, it's my LEDs for the interior of the car. We got some for the front and rear dome lights, the map lights, the glove box, some for the floor near my feet, front and back, uh, and a couple more for the trunk. This should be pretty good. These, believe it or not, all of these LEDs only ran me $13. So it's been raining today and I've been busy, so I didn't get a chance to have time to do any kind of installation today. But hopefully in a few days I'll be able to put all of these in and show you before and after, because a lot of my regular lights inside the car are out, except for the courtesy light in the front on the ceiling. So this should be fun. LEDs. More packages are on the way. I just saw this one that came in the mail today. So until next video, I'll see you.